Hello, my name is Mario Bosch with Clean Cut Landscape. We're here in Old Metairie today. We installed this landscaping several years ago. We came by to do a little cleanup and a little updating. As you can see, we've got the boxwoods manicured. I had a lot of weeds in here. We removed all the weeds, loosened the soil, add fresh soil, planted some nice white pentas, dwarf, red caladiums. Really came out nice. These are some oak leaf hollies. And then right here, she wanted some changes, so we planted these Japanese yews, kind of add a formal touch to it. Came out really good. We'll let these grow about another foot taller, and they'll really make a statement. Otherwise, this yard came out really nice, so if you need your landscape updated or just a general cleanup, give Clean Cut Landscape a call, and this is our phone number. 887-0234, or you can reach me on my cell at 415-1438, or visit our website at cclanddesign.com.